It's Thursday, October 29th, and my car was chalked by the city again today. So I'm going to be moving it here. It's not abandoned. I live in that apartment building there, for Christ's sake. So, alright, let's get in the car and take her for a spin. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's go for a spin. Alright, here we go. Alright. Right, and we're gonna drive by my apartment again, 200 Cedar Lake Road North, and we're gonna show you that the red car is moved now because it keeps getting called in as an abandoned vehicle. I live at the building it's parked on the side of. All right. All right. And that's where it got the notice to move. So I'm clearly moving the car now. All right. So we're going to park it. All right. So I just parked the car, and we'll see if the chalk marks are still on it or not. Lock the door. Give me a second here. See if there's any chalk marks on it still.